Mr. Bertard, do you have enough time with your client?
Yes, thank you, Judge.
No, you're good there. So when they
Good
say
morning.
they're ready, you gotta stand right here.
Morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
This is
Good morning.
210320 FY, State of Michigan versus Michael Christopher Tauschak.
Come stand right here.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Tauschak.
State your name for me, please, sir.
That would be Michael Christopher Tauschak.
Mr. Tauschak, today is the day and time set for your arraignment. You've had the opportunity to speak to Mr. Batar?
I have.
Okay. Sir, you have a right to have an attorney represent you during the pendency of this matter. There was a petition and order, a court-appointed attorney attached to the front of your file. The court has signed that. You will have assigned counsel going forward. As for the arraignment, Mr. Batar?
Gone over the charges with him, Your Honor. We'll waive a formal reading. Stand mute, please.
As for bond, there is a recommendation from law enforcement that that the police department does not oppose personal bond. Do you have any comment, Mr. Batar?
Judge, we agree with that. He doesn't have much of a criminal history. I think there was a drunken disorderly back when he was 19 years old. Serious allegations with respect to the felony firearm, Judge, but there are some mitigating factors. He's maintaining his innocence. He had a valid CPL. The gun was legally owned. I don't think there's any type of flight risk or threat to public safety. So we would ask you to go along with that police recommendation.
The court will adopt the recommendation of law enforcement and set his bond at $3,000 personal. You are to have no contact with Mr. James Patrick Foley, the complaining victim in this case. No contact means no contact, no direct contact, no contact through third persons, no contact through social media. Your next appearance date will be your probable cause conference on April the 28th, 2021 at 9:30 a.m. That's 930. That will be with Judge Oakley. Anything else in this matter, Mr. Batar?
Judge, if he could just give you his phone number to put on that court-appointed attorney sheet, please.
I have it as ending in 3897. Is that a good phone number for you, sir?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Batar, 734-778-3897.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else, Mr. Batar?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else for Van Buren for this defendant?
Could you go over the docket number one more time, please?
210320 FY.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That is it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Batar, just hang around for just one quick second for me, please.
Sure.
The next case is 210128, State of Michigan versus Marcus Lee Schaefer. State your name for me, please, sir.
Marcus Lee Schaefer, Your Honor.
Mr. Schaefer, there is a signed form in the file that indicates that you do not wish to have a court-appointed attorney with you during your arraignment. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor. They ain't got no money. What I was thinking about it when this morning, and I ain't got no money to pay nobody, to be honest with you. I had just got my court dates mixed up. I'm on bond in Lenawee County.
Mr.
I'm sorry.
Schaefer, no.
Yes, ma'am.
The matter is scheduled for arraignment today. There is a court-appointed attorney available to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And you marked a form that you do not wish to have his assistance this morning, and I just wanted to confirm with you that that's accurate.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then thank you. I just wanted to be able to release Mr. Batar if you weren't going to need his services this morning.
Great. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Schaefer.
Yes, ma'am.
You previously appeared with me back on February 26, 2021. You were arraigned and you had court-appointed counsel then, that being Jeff Bowditch. You were supposed to appear back here on March the 10th, 2021 at 8:30 with Judge Oakley, which you did. and the matter was continued. You were next supposed to appear on April the 7th, 2021, back with me at 9 a.m. You failed to appear. The previous bond that you had posted had been forfeited and will remain forfeited. There is a recommendation from law enforcement in the file. Sorry, there is a petition in order for court-appointed attorney attached to the front of your file. The court will sign that. You had previously been arraigned, so today is just to get you back on track, to get you back with your probable cause conference. Based on your failure to appear at the last hearing, the court is going to set bond at $5,000, 10% again.
Your Honor, is there any way we could do personal recognizance? Your Honor, only reason I missed the court date, ma'am, is because I had them mixed up. I thought I had court on the 22nd with you guys and not the 7th, but I actually had court on the 22nd for Lenawee and not you. And I just got them mixed up. There was no reason for me to miss it. It's over the Zoom, Your Honor. I just
Did you voluntarily turn yourself into public safety department on this matter?
In Clinton Township, Your Honor, because I knew I had a warrant. They said the warrant was only posted a few days ago. So, and I literally went to the Clinton Township police station where I went after work and took myself to them people. And the only guys because I know I have a few other warrants, but the only department that would take me was Van Buren. And so that's why I'm here right now. I didn't get in like another case or any other trouble or anything. I brought myself.
Wait, I'm sorry. After work one day, you voluntarily walked in because you knew this warrant was outstanding. Is that what you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I told my boss and everything, like what I was doing and everything, Your Honor. But it's been a few days now, so I don't know how he's feeling about it. It was really his idea, Your Honor, to bring. Yes, ma'am, to bring myself to get it handled so I don't get in no more trouble if they was to catch me somewhere else or something like that.
I hear you, sir, and I appreciate your circumstances, but I am going to leave the bond at $5,000, 10%. As we discussed before, well, at your first arraignment, you are still to have no contact with Brittany. Last name is Claes. No contact means no contact of any form. Again, this file number is 210128FY. Your next appearance date in this matter will be your probable cause conference with Judge Oakley. That will be on 4/28/2021 at 8:30 a.m. You know, I'm sorry, Mr. Schaefer, I am going to change that a little bit.
Yes, ma'am.
There's no point in forfeiting the bond that we already have. So I'll leave the previous bond in place, and this one will be the 2,500, 10%. So you'll post the same 250. You'll post 250 like you posted before.
Yes, ma'am.
You have another matter. It's 21VB00031A, B, and C. So it's alleged that on December 29, 2020 in Van Buren Township, you drove while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied. This is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail plus up to $500 fine plus court costs. At that same day at the same location, you failed to stop or identify after a property damage accident, again, a misdemeanor. And lastly, same day, again, at Van Buren Township, you gave false information to the police. In these three matters, your bond is going to be set at $3,000 personal. Your next appearance date in these matters will be June 17, 2021 at 9 a.m. these will be with Judge Oakley as well. Anything else, Mr. Schaefer?
No, ma'am. I thank you.
Anything else, Van Buren?
No, ma'am.
Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you too. Have a seat.